Hey guys, so I want to do a better video on something that I'm more stoked about than other talk that I had. But yeah, that's Palantir. So Palantir has earnings in, looks like it's in August 5th. It's in a few weeks, so that's really cool. So I went ahead and I'm just still doing my DCA. That's the one that I have. I'm just doing a daily DCA. So I'm just buying that daily. And yeah, Palantir is reporting earnings in a few weeks. And right now they're trading at like 26.84 cents, up a little bit today. But I think this company has so much future ahead of it. It's just crazy, kind of like a psychic. You could even tell like it's has this Tesla vibe to me that I've I've, I've been in Tesla before in the beginning back in 2013. I was a Tesla investor. So it has that vibe to it that you don't even have to really look at the, I mean, you check the earnings and everything like that, but it just, what it's doing with the software side of AI and the CEOs vibe with good there. You kind of, Alex Karp reminds me kind of Elon, and just that the software side of AI is so untapped right now, and Palantir is really the has that part of the business going, and they're really nobody's really getting into the AR or knows it the best compared to Palantir. Maybe Microsoft, but I don't really see them delving that much into, except for some of the stuff they're trying to add to the PCs right now. I don't even. I have it on my system. Yeah, Copilot, but I haven't even. It's on there. I haven't even touched it, and I'm in tech, and it sounds like a gimmick right now. But I down the road maybe I'll check it out. But Palantir is really way ahead of Microsoft and all those as far as the AI software side goes, and that part of the market has barely even started to get going. I mean, Nvidia is the one that's really taken off, and the companies that work with Nvidia have gone up as well. But really, the software side hasn't even really started to get going, and Palantir is just in the forefront of all that for many years. So I just see, man, like $26 is a bargain. Like 5 years from now, count on it. It's gonna be 10x at least of what it is now. So I'm really excited about the earnings that are coming up. They're just a few weeks away. And yeah, actually, not even a few weeks. Like, it's on that Monday. So just a week away. And yeah, I don't know. This is going to be like the fifth time if they're profitable. So I mean, they already in the S&P 500 as far as in the running for that. You just have to have 4 profitable quarters, and they already did that. So it's really just up to the S&P gods to let them in, let Palantir in. I think it's really because you have to prove yourself so much to get into the S&P 500. You have to be a larger company, and you got to be profitable for at least 4, but you got to almost more than that. There's more that you have to do. That you got to show them that you're really worthy to get into S&P 500. And the Dow 30 is another thing, but that's a whole nother ball game. But so that's one thing that's got me going is Palantir. So I'm already up a nice chunk. So, but you can't let that, if you're up in Palantir, you can't let that sway you to think it to trade the thing, because I've done that before with Tesla and made that mistake. And you just gotta, companies like this that are really diamonds, that you may not even see that they are diamonds, but they, like the Palantirs of the world, the Ubers that have just barely gotten started. I mean, if you were like a seed investor in the beginning with Palantir or with Uber, man, you're already up. You're a millionaire by now if you put like 100,000 when it's the infancy. There's people that have that connection to get in there. It's not. I'm not talking about a connection with Robinhood to get into the IPO or anything like that. Sometimes the IPO you get screwed over, but I'm talking that seed money, the very beginning, where you can just put that little bit of money in and make millions out of it. But then it's really like a big gamble. But for a lot of those people, like 100,000 is nothing to them. But for us little folks, there's still time to, like these Palantirs of the world and these Ubers of the world. You really got to take that chance now while you can, before it really takes off, because I've seen them before that they've happened like that, like Tesla and Nvidia. You stay on the sidelines, or if you trade the thing, you're gonna make some money, but it's not gonna be the really, so the insurance said he wins a race in these cases. So that's what I'm doing. Palantir, got my daily investment there no matter what, and that's it. I'm just following and sticking to it. And it's cool that you're up like 5, 10, or whatever percentage you're into, how much money, how many thousands you're in, but who cares? Like, got to think about it the long run, making real money down the road. But for me and Palantir, it's the money. It's nice, but I really dig their CEO and their technology. I'm in tech, so you gotta love what they're doing. And you gotta, if you're, since I'm in tech, I'm really down for cool. All that stuff is cool to me, so I always want to dig into it and figure it out. So Palantir, I can't go wrong. But if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.